In an era where cameras seem to race endlessly toward higher specs, blazing frame rates, and ever-expanding feature lists, the Fujifilm X-E5 takes a more thoughtful approach. It isn't trying to be the biggest or flashiest. Instead, it focuses on offering a balanced blend of portability, performance, and Fujifilm's unmistakable photographic charm. The X-E series has always been about rangefinder-inspired simplicity, with the versatility of interchangeable lenses, and the X-E5 continues that tradition while layering in meaningful updates for 2025. This isn't nostalgia masquerading as modern technology. It's a deliberate refinement of what photographers actually want in a compact mirrorless body. With a new sensor, enhanced autofocus, improved video features, and even hybrid connectivity options, the X-E5 is shaping up to be one of the most versatile everyday cameras Fujifilm has ever made. In this deep dive review, we'll cover it all: design, build, sensor performance, Fujifilm's legendary color science, autofocus improvements, video potential, and its advanced workflow capabilities. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's see why the X-E5 may be the sleeper hit of the year. The Fujifilm X-E5 carries forward the clean, minimalist design language of its predecessors while refining the details. At first glance, it remains unmistakably part of the X-E family. Slim, rectangular, and inspired by classic rangefinders. Built from lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy, the body offers a reassuring sturdiness without ever feeling heavy, tipping the scales well under most modern mirrorless cameras. This makes it a dream for travelers, street photographers, and anyone who values discretion over bulk. One of the biggest upgrades is the improved weather resistance, finally bringing the X-E5 in line with Fujifilm's higher-end models. You can now head out with confidence in unpredictable conditions, whether it's light rain or dusty streets. The tactile dials for shutter speed, exposure compensation, and aperture, when paired with Fujinon XF lenses, retain that mechanical precision Fujifilm shooters love. Subtle tweaks in resistance and grip texture make them even more satisfying to use. The ergonomics have also been polished, with a slightly deeper thumb rest and a more sculpted front for improved comfort. The rear LCD panel is higher resolution with a fully articulating design, perfect not only for stills and low-high angle shooting, but also for vlogging and video creators. Meanwhile, the OLED electronic viewfinder has been upgraded for sharper detail, richer color reproduction, and smoother refresh rates. In all, the X-E5 doesn't abandon its minimalist ethos, but smart refinements elevate it to a camera that feels both classic and thoroughly modern. At its core, the Fujifilm X-E5 inherits the impressive 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS, 5 HR sensor, and X-Processor 5, the same powerful combination found in the flagship X-T5 and the much-loved X-106, marking a huge leap forward from the 26 megapixel sensor of the X-E4, and instantly elevating the X-E series into a new class of performance. The back-illuminated design enhances light gathering efficiency, resulting in improved low-light capability, cleaner files, and a stronger signal-to-noise ratio, which together give photographers more confidence to push the camera in challenging conditions. The dynamic range is expansive, allowing raw shooters plenty of room to recover highlights and shadows, while Fujifilm's celebrated JPEG engine delivers straight out of camera images with rich, vibrant colors and delicate tonal transitions that capture the brand's distinctive filmic look. Without an optical low-pass filter, the X-E5 resolves tremendous detail and crispness, making it an ideal match for Fujinon XF primes and zooms that can fully exploit its high-resolution potential, rivaling the output of larger sensor systems. High ISO performance is particularly noteworthy. ISO 6400 files are highly usable, with impressive detail retention, while even ISO 12800 maintains a fine, film-like grain structure that documentary and street shooters will find highly appealing for night scenes or dimly lit interiors. Color depth is excellent, with subtle gradation improvements that handle complex textures like skin tones, foliage, and fabrics with newfound finesse, ensuring images look natural yet vibrant. All of these qualities combine to make the X-E5 the most capable and versatile X-E model to date. A small, portable body that can easily slip into a jacket pocket, yet packs the imaging power to satisfy serious enthusiasts and even professional photographers who need a discreet but uncompromising tool for travel, street, portrait, and documentary work. As with every Fuji release, the X-E5 leans heavily on the company's legendary film simulations, which remain one of its strongest draws for both enthusiasts and professionals. Fujifilm has built its reputation on delivering color science that feels alive, and the X-E5 continues that tradition with a wide palette of options to suit virtually any shooting scenario. All the classics make a return: Provia for balanced natural tones, Velvia for punchy vibrancy, Astia for softer rendering, Classic Chrome for its muted cinematic character, Eterna for subtle film-like output, and Acros for deep monochrome. The highlight addition here is the new Reala Ace simulation, first introduced with the X100VI, which strikes a beautiful balance between natural realism and lively expression. Its nuanced color response delivers rich midtones that excel in lifestyle, street, and editorial photography, offering tones that feel fresh without being over-processed. Combined with the X-E5's 40-megapixel sensor and Fujifilm's continually refined color algorithms, the results are consistently impressive. Skin tones come across as natural and flattering. Skies maintain depth and gradient without banding, and greens appear lush while avoiding the plastic oversaturation that plagues many digital files. White balance has also seen meaningful refinement, particularly in complex mixed lighting situations, ensuring that JPEGs straight out of the camera remain dependable and consistent. For many photographers, this reliability means that time-consuming post-processing becomes optional rather than essential, as Fuji's JPEGs are often ready to share or even print right away. Still, the X-E5 offers plenty of creative flexibility, allowing users to tweak tone curves, adjust saturation, or apply grain effects to craft their own film recipes. This blend of analog nostalgia and digital versatility makes the X-E5 a camera that doesn't just capture images, but helps photographers develop a distinctive visual signature. The Fujifilm X-E5 takes a significant leap forward in autofocus performance, integrating the latest deep learning AI algorithms to deliver fast, intelligent, and reliable subject detection across a wide variety of scenarios. The system now recognizes humans, animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, planes, and more, ensuring that no matter what you're shooting, the camera can track and lock onto your subject with impressive accuracy. Eye and face detection have been refined to be more precise and responsive than before, maintaining a solid lock even in low light or when subjects move unpredictably, which is a huge benefit for street, travel, and documentary photographers. Autofocus coverage extends nearly edge to edge, giving shooters full creative freedom to compose off-center and still trust the system to nail focus. In terms of speed, the X-E5 doesn't disappoint, offering up to 11 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and an even faster 20 frames per second when using the electronic shutter, though with a slight crop. Thanks to the power of its new processor, rolling shutter artifacts are impressively well controlled, making the electronic shutter more usable in everyday shooting conditions. Beyond speed and focus, Fujifilm has kept usability in mind, with its well-regarded intuitive menu system and the customizable Q menu that provides quick access to key settings. The tactile physical controls, a hallmark of the X-E series, ensure that photographers can stay engaged with shooting rather than getting lost in sub-menus. Battery life is rated at around 400 shots per charge, which is decent for a compact mirrorless camera, and USB-C charging support makes it easy to recharge on the go with a power bank or laptop. Altogether, these upgrades make the Fujifilm X-E5 a highly capable yet enjoyable camera to use. Fast, responsive, reliable, and always ready to capture fleeting moments. The Fujifilm X-E5 represents a pivotal evolution in the X-E series, taking what has traditionally been a photo-first lineup and transforming it into a true hybrid powerhouse. While earlier models appealed mainly to stills photographers, the X-E5 pushes boundaries with impressive video capabilities, including 6.2K, oversampled 4K recording at up to 30p, 10-bit 422 internal capture, and F-Log2 support for extended dynamic range and professional color grading flexibility. The inclusion of IBIS, in-body image stabilization, marks a dramatic shift for the series, allowing for smooth handheld shooting across both stills and video, enhancing its versatility in real-world scenarios. Autofocus has also been refined, delivering consistent, cinematic tracking performance that makes video recording more reliable than ever. Pair these improvements with Fuji's signature film simulations, and creators are rewarded with rich, film-like colors straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-production. Beyond imaging, the X-E5 embraces a modern workflow with LAN and wireless connectivity options that cater to today's professional demands. Whether through USB-C or Wi-Fi, users can tether for studio sessions, transfer files directly to servers, or even stream live content seamlessly, making it an adaptable tool for on-the-go creators. This forward-looking approach ensures that the X-E5 isn't just about specs on paper. It's about unlocking new possibilities for travel filmmakers, event shooters, and hybrid storytellers who demand both portability and power. By blending its compact, rangefinder-inspired charm with features typically found in higher-end bodies, Fujifilm has redefined what the X-E series can be. In essence, the X-E5 is no longer just an enthusiast's compact camera. It is a serious creative tool that merges elegance with professional-level performance, positioning itself as one of the most versatile and exciting cameras in Fujifilm's 2025 lineup. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.